Hi guys, it's me, Ayesha Naomi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making foam friend craft kit. This is different. This is a princessa. So in our last video, we made this one, and now we will make this one. This princess that I wanted. Now let's open. Two googly eyes, one googly eyes. Wow. Whoa. Trash. Oh, not trash. So, guys, here's. I don't know what is this. I think this is the body, and this is the, I don't know. Oh, like this. Pretty. So let's open this first. Oh, we have brown. So guys, we have this. What is this called? Glitter yellow foam. Glitter brown foam. Brown foam and peach. Ouch. Peach foam. And let's open this one. Ooh. Two googly eyes. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lobby-dee-dee-dee-dee. So hi guys. Hey puppy. So that's my puppy. Bark. Okay, bark. She barks. Oh, it barks. Why puppy? Wow. You're biting my leg. So here's the, what is this called? Emerald sticker, red sticker, white sticker, pink sticker, and orange sticker. So let's set aside these foams and this clear into place. What puppy? Are you hungry? This way. Ma, feed my puppy. So let's set aside. And I will show you how to make it. Okay guys, so we need this first, the peach. Let's see the instructions. So let's get this one, and let's get the key like this one, the key, like the lock. Yeah. Now let's put it there, and one more. Carefully there, like that. Oh gosh. Okay, now let's get this brown thingy. Now let's get to the back and peel a lot of trouble. Sorry. Oh gosh, okay. Peel all, and this too, of course. There, and let's put it carefully. The hand, and another hand, and the head. There! It's just supposed to be like that. Oh yeah. Now let's get this hair carefully peeling it. Now let's put it carefully again. There. Now let's get first the yellow. This is the yellow with glitter. Let's put it right here carefully. Nice and careful. There. Like that. Looks like Cinderella. Right? Cinderella is the one to the beast. So let's get the crown and put it whatever you want. I will put it right here. Now let's get the clearish brown. I don't know, what should I say? I don't know what is clearish brown. Oh no, it sticks. Oh, there. Now trash. Now, I think it's gotta be put it right there. There. Now, let's get the orange and peel this one and put it right there. That's not look like Cinderella. Now let's get let's get first the hairband. Trash and put the hairband. There. Now let's get this squirrely thing and put it right here at the bottom. Let's get these dots. Polka dots, polka dots, polka dots, polka dots, and polka dot. Now let's get the heart. This heart, yep. There, and let's put it right here. Let's get this one. And put the emerald right here. Get the gems and put it. Oh, wait, it's not sticky. Oh no, that's kinda, the sticky ones is not, this only. So just put it right there. Because these one is not, now, it's coming off. Just put it right there. It's not coming off. Sorry. So, put this googly eye right here. And get the one more googly eye. Right here. And then, put the mouth right here. And put the cheeks right here. I'm just kidding, guys. I didn't stick it. I'll just separate them a little bit so it'll be cuter. Like that. Ooh, super cool. Guys, here's the Okay guys, here's our princess. Oh, I will make a video show again. Hi guys, it's me, Princess. My name is Princess Celestia. I am the Queen of Angels. Oh no, I'm Queen of Animals and That's only. So please guys, subscribe right there and click the bell button and share. And thank you guys so much. And see you guys next time. And I hope you like my video. Bye! Bye.